Mbiamano sana mwanchi mulebeta seni kia Ndizi TV niko yaragire Ensa Eyemo yabono maragoba asinerobere boikirano gokoretera mangana maya asenchira iyo boikirano nabakwenda gutubwatia asechinsemo chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabega sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabagotunya gwetera www.ndizitv.net mwanchi muliengo kwariganirire bene intosanga sobwamo gocha kabonega goika omoelio chinga kitoroche abarokiwa babikirasi ya kianda na boigo 10 abagosirwa gwetera omurobelio o Wings to Fly insebengi ya Equity nigo litkulia lero baba KONYORA AMAEGERIO asiskuru yabamura ya Kisii naboigo abarai akura sorgongorwa Gusii nigo beso kiribene naboigo KORWANIA etaro yo murai wense Dr. William Ruto me county ya Kisii chinga kitoroche omwaziri bobaremi abereka ko bolia abaremi gwesokia asobonge naboigo kweneke buna ngweri kabale asogo chikonyora obuoyo naboigo kweneke buna ngukine bale ligesa lyabo mwanchi mulia toska tonyegera ngwera nanda segeke Kerubo sio elinde ngomanye amange Retariane Fridah Kerubo na sinsemo chichebero EKERERO nigo tokubwatanere Joshua Auta kwariganirire bene elinto ya chake kurugasi county ya Kisii Unencheremo yo KORWANIA obosari nigo obutumiki bw'EKERERO bugendete kuira emeri kampuni ya mokorwasi chinsemo chiri cha China nigo yabage kuigora orosagero aime yo muchibosongo asiboigo abasaye barachikwenyorera AMAEGERIO abosa Moriketo Vincent Onyancha na bakagotarira chinsemecho naboigo gotwariganiria oroboti rokobwatia.
And so it is going to improve on security. Apart from CCTV, we have access controls, whereby if you want to open a door, you use your fingerprint, you use a password, instead of using the normal padlock.
Huna encheremo yo KONYORA KORWANIA mangana lengeto OBOSARIA ni gobono chinchira aho chigende tokobe kwa gwetera senchira EKERERO ERIKIE koene kibuna nkonyara tori 10 na mangana alengeto OBOSARIA company ya Ekivision gobono ya chire asenchira yo KONYORA koligeria na kie KONYORA 10 na mangana yo.
Today we are working with our regional distributor in Kisii. He's named Jokebox Technology Limited. So before 2022, we don't have a regional distributor here, but now we have a regional distributor from 2023. We hope Hackvision can work with our regional distributor and provide the good service and good support to our customer in Kisii.
And the prices have come down. Now that we have the manufacturer here in Kisii, directly linking to Kisii, the prices are going to go down. The transport cost has been cut from Nairobi to this place, and so now we have gadgets directly from China, and so it is timely and it is cheaper.
Kisii, I think Kisii is a very good location, and economy is good, and he has some and more economy from here. We hope we can select the base center in Kisii.
Ime yomuchobosonga se county ya Kisii rikolia lero nigo banyara gochakia bene umurobelio bo KONYORA kobwatokana kobeka chikamera cha CCTV echibate abuna chira chikonyara gokonya na gokeya amangana yobosaria.
We are hoping that this is also going to improve the security situation in Kisii region. Security is a very basic is a basic need in the country, and we have so many people interested in CCTV. Since we came into Kisii, we have been receiving several inquiries. And so we know the market is very huge. We have new buildings coming up. We have several shops that require security.
Kolengana ne company ya Ekivision ni gobate birabuna ni gobono chikamera bene na boigo ne bintu binde birengeta so KORWANIA mangana lengeto OBOSARIA gwetera chinchira EKERERO birabe bikorwa masemo kurwa senseri ya China goikagaiga aso mucho bosongo.
Ekivision is the #1 leading manufacturer in security gadgets. CCTV is one of the very basic security gadgets that everyone should have.
Kakaro montache mbange bali interested kwegera kobeka chikamera enega seraisi ogo chakaiga oigera onyore certificate naende tori gocha gochaji gukende kerega nto free ogocha obekerwe oigere kobeka naye gokonyora naye kwanya konyora kende konya gokogenda kobekera abantu
ligo chinga kichi banyarire bakoboria abasae gwesokia kone kibuna nkonyora bara AMAEGERIO gwetera se company ya Ikivisiona AMAEGERIO batebere buna agochikolwegwa otari gwakana kende gyonse ane konyara koegwa obosemia nabo igono botume kibwe chinchera chekerero aso konyara koegerigwa na kichi kamera chia CCTV chikobekwa nabo igona kichigotumekwa.
But the first requirement is the interest, because we teach from very basic, so we do not require, let's say, experts. But having a knowledge in electrical field is an added advantage. It's very free, and we give you support in terms of you're given t-shirts, you're given branding materials, you're even given a tool bag for free once you are trained.
Nechiko konye ebijana ebinge abange banyare kwegera kobeka CCTV security nengia mobasa konye tika kaya chire nkaga iga na mobona manya konya motaka nya koiboli ngengo rosti camera wano cha chire gusika iga
ekyo getigarite bono nabasae gwesokia erikonyara kone kibuna ko twara barubumanyi igoro yobotumeki we ebinto byekerero ibatebere buno birakonye koiraninse amangana arengeto obosaria ko reporteria Ndizi TV korugatigati yomucho bosongo imeye county ya Kisii riterana nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Mbiamono sana mulikecho Vincent Onyancha asogotwariganiria oroboti uru asinchira yoboikiranu. Osika mutu asa oroboti rundo mwanchi mulieni gongo kumanyuna umorobeli obokwena na AMAEGERIO igoro yobora igochia ase ABAOROKIA bikirasigia kianda na boigo 10 abu korwa asorogongo rwa Western Nyanza ni goba kogo cha kabene. Litkolia lero bali bakonyora obokonyi gwetera ase bengi ya Equity asomorobelio o Wings to Fly baba koikirana ase skuru yabamura ya Kisii asomorobelio yo obagokoragwa bene no mutenenelio monene Robinson Mireri nigo mulikecho daipona sanya bakagwikirana chensemecho nabo yogotwariganiria orobotiro kubwata asenchira yobwagale.
Ekiambe kia Wings to Fly kurwa aswe bengi ya Equity amona elimu scholarship program nigo bagenderete kona na AMAEGERIO yechimbwa chingia gochia saborokiwa anene abekirasi ya kianda nekirasi 10 kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii
twate umuyega uko ngara gukwanira abana baito beta scholarship program yaito babaire gaige sama gatatu abana bare class kianda na 10 tonyare ko barokereria subu mabuyenseye na kibarache ko babagambi ande ba enseye tegendereria tokwenda nembya mana school ya Kisii High School na abantu bonse bawo konye program ya Wings to Fly na elimu scholarship abana tuwate bonse pia baruete kurwa orogongo rwa Bomet abantu bakarukuru Migori abantu kurwa Mabe Gusii na Nyamira na Kirigoris
aso mwakoyo ni gaborokigwa gwetania chiribu 53 benyorero gusirwo no muroberi yo eri banyare kugendereria amasoma abo.
For this year, the Equity Group Foundation and its partners have sponsored a total of 8,500 students or scholars under the Equity, the Wings to Fly program and the LIM program, a total of 8,500.
Voigo emerobelio ao ni gegenderete gusirwa eliogokinia ekerengo kia magima ya bange.
For Form 1 and 2, the teams participating, scholars participating in the programs around the country, there are a total of 18,500 Form 1s and 2s participating in these leadership education conferences.
Ekerenge kenene kyo murubiro yo no korokereria aborokiwa chimbwa chingia na kobasegeta asebiegwa ao na kobaerera obuya bwa masomo.
And maybe improve their lives and even the life of the people. I appreciate for the mentorship program because it also brings out the leadership qualities among the scholars. I want to appreciate all of you, and we are ready to work with other stakeholders who are ready
aborokiwa anene bali bagakyo isaransa amatemo manene yo mwaka oyo yekirasi kya 5 na 3 ne kirasi kya 12 nigo baboli wa KORWANIA asaba boli bali batebiwa banyara gusegeta chimbwe chingi ya kura chinka.
Our last week of holidays, please stay safe. Remember, come back choose the company who are associated with, because I want to believe that the people say is the bad company with character morals. Stay safe, check on the company, get it out there. We have a problem of drug and substance abuse, cough drugs and other practices, so that we may have you back sound the same as you have for your last term. This is the candidates, both Form 4 and Class 8. We want to ask that you take advantage of the short term and next term, so you prepare fully for this year's examinations.
Nande tukaendelea kukoramo oteya Bible iskogaria eya abana batware chimbwa chingia ali barachika babataba ya kuchuko kumagago.
Kuripoteli kataseni kia Ndizi TV korwa seskuru ya bamura ya Kisii elitaliane ndipon asanya
Biamano sana mulikito daipana asanya asorobotiro asenchira iyo bwagale. Oscar Mutu asorobotiro lingete chisemi nigongo kumenya bino waziri w'echisemi Ezekiel MACHOGU nigo NKAI eserikali gwetera ewizara y'echisemi nigegendete kubeka emirobili emikiranu anomono ase ko NKAI yaberege kurongania omorobilio ubwa CBC okwana nigo abolia Bible gotatwara obwoba anomono chinga kechiga bagendete kwerobelia asokoira abana babo asensemo ye university asenekebuna nige serikali erachi kubasira oigoni go abolia abegenwa KONYORA Kenya asensemeli ya masabo
mameke ngajimogende ngwe ko Gusii okiarenge kuburukaine otomanetina ngayugo chakera nande ngayugo jukorera ero mumanye ko lobura wake ase chinguru cyo manera kiagara kumusabande na mwolekera mambia abana baito kanyara bayikire grade 6 mtu amenye tuone secondary bagutia kusenga ibagutia lakini bono mtu abeko mupango ro muronge professor bunate baga tuabekira umupango bwa abana baito bare ki university na bari bakogenda ki university bono ayo nayo magaka onyo mwana wetete kogenda school mechando teyo ngangu kirwaka ne school fees eserikali ngo kire ku mwaka nirakiagera erege ndugyo kago kora elinde tomoe 82% scholarship 18% loan no go ichuri ga ya semitanga ichuri boronge wikero mutinyo kianga kibese jinguru tore KONYORA university kieito keikira asikiale kuwa ngo gakindu gati kwanse sababu yo kumwaka ngambia mono William Samoei Ruto ege ndutugo chamambia ono amasabo monunga ese ya Kenya nasaga ndeko nyubwaterera kiagera ngwetera chinguru chiae twaikira ase twaiki akine chinguru chamaya abantu necyo manenya saya iko mutu sabere kumuranje
hoyo kabeire omugavana we county ya Kisii James Ongwae nigo agokera emirimo y'umuwaziri MACHOGU eyagendete gukora anomono aso KONYORA egesaku kyomo Gusii okwana nigo abolia abagusii kogendera kumusira ase abolia bumenyikuru asorgongorwa usigwe sokia aso bunge litkolia angyo asengencho yokumwaligania omorai wense
como ministro TOSIIRE na endo monene bone monene iteko saba Gusii mangana ya ita siasa na serikali yo minto William Ruto tuachana MACHOGU na ene togendete ko banere nje buno mudrarege former governor ga for 10 years mwagete chikura for 10 years onkomoria bagusii smwa kale support him ikiagere ebintaga ndedo tokorera na support ya gotoa ege tumwanje tari mwerori abago choru kibesa ngara go tiskuru abantu bande nyondi bago kibesa kuna 10 million 20 30 chiakorwa nango bakwero sana ena bago choru moraigo and I support you my brother. I would want you to continue doing that as we go ahead. tunamwaigwa babande bateba omonene ngochare mambia kimuranje tuestobororo to support president.
Habarai nigo bagendete kuira chingaki chiabo chiabene aso kwarigania etaro y'omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto ime county ya Kisii. Okwana omubunge korwa sensemeli ya Nyaribari chache za Hilchanda niga bakagwikirana ase kanisa ya Riondonga SDA yogotoka ase wodi ya Birongo nabo igoko bairene limbia mono sana gochia ase abamenyi bensemeyo soko mwali baga elinde koba omorai boigo nigo abagakori eira na chikoene kya buna epara ya Riondonga yaberege korosigwa bene chingaki arachigokwanira amangana ekero muraiwense arabega gwikirana litkolia angyo.
Nataka niseme asanteni sana. Leo nimefika hapa Riondonga. Nimepata nafasi hii. Nashukuru Nyasaye. Nashukuru Nyasaye alituwezesha kupitia nyinyi kuniamini kama kwa kura zenu mkanipa nikawa mjumbe wa Nyaribari Church. Pia mono sana. Ya pili nataka kuwaambia, unajua kazi hii ya Nyaribari sio rahisi. Lakini kwa nguvu za Nyasaye tutahakikisha tumebadilisha na tumeweka mikakati maalum ya kusaidia watu wetu. Hii barabara ninawaambia siku ya leo, hii kutoka hapa Keumbu, barabara hii ya Riondonga. Hiyo barabara nimeongea na rais, na mnajua mheshimiwa rais wetu niliongea na yeye na akakubali na akanisikiliza. Siku ya kesho atakuwa na sisi hapa Nyanturago Stadium kutoka saa 3 tutakuja kufanya maombi, na baada ya maombi tutaongea masuala ya siasa, na mimi ndio host.
Chingaki ekyo boigo omubunge okitutu cha Chenoth Japheth Nyakundi niga bagakwiraniria mono gochiase mwaziri w'ekisemi ase emeremo agendete gokora boigo niga nekibuna nigo aborokia babeire bakomentwa anekorwa asorogongorwa Gusii abamenyi be ensemeyo babeire bakonyorera amabaga ao
ntwanya kolika balimu abange natwalikire ngatiye. You have managed to employ over 56,000 teachers in less than 1 year. Torochene lachie gia kodire. Inse mwako yomo otemire olikira balimu 56,000. Igendo gia kabere waziri tutaende kwa kirambia mono. Nese ngencho ekwaroche mbya abana baito bali bamoswachi university. Bari barechi college mpaka bono bari bagoswa KMTC okarorambia orete scholarship nendo mende chibesa abana baito bakanyorere koru help koru chibilioni 15 mpaka chibilioni 30 inje nongo ikaranse committee area budget.
Chingaki ekyo boigo oyo ligetie Kerubo kyobo women rep ime county ya Kisii Julie Nyanchama nego aligania omuraibense ase county ya Kisii ase airera okwegena kwa buna Ruto na chigosira abasubati na boigo abasae aso kwenike bnango korabale obonchereria bunenchera yamo yokwegendereria. Chingaki ekyo boigo nigo amubolia gotalera ase nyagitali ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital asensemo ya basubati elinde kweneke bnango sirale na boigo gukinia obochenu asenya gitali yo
igontete kwira dibageri nkarabise omurai bwense His Excellency Dr. William Samuel Ruto igontete komukarabisa Gusiiga Nyanturago egere aigwe ninkale nande atoretere bintebia inche muno mongina nande muno murai umusubati o Kisii County ni gonse meretina umurai bwense ngo cyari ne bintebia ekemo kiabo ngo cyari ne kibesa go cyako abangina bakore biasara egere banyare korosi uchumi ya Kenya wetere bangeri bakorwa igo batabwati basa bakora biasara ebango tego toka serikali gukinera gose uchumi yaito tego chenchi egere bangina batabwati besa bakore biasara amonayu kosa bando muraibwense arigeri vijana beitu ebisomete ebire namasakara egento kiba borete nechibesa mangana etogota startup capital ebesa yogo chake biashara egere tobwatera nesoko agacha Kisii County na Kenya kwa jumla buetera mangana ya ebiashara esomonu wege songo entrepreneurship nande gonte toko sabo muraibwense Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital njabegete Mother Child Center enyagitari yabangena nabana bake ni gonko musaba kagocha arigerina equipment ebifa au biribiwente gokonya bangena banyare konyora amasikani anena mono chinga kichiri bako gonki abana nande anena mono ekarbago nyagitari na marwaire au anena mono ari arengete abasubati egere banyare ko digererimu nande banyare ko twarobo konyi ese environment conducive dignified and respectful healthcare services anena mono chinga kechi torochi esa mangana ya korukuna universal health coverage iko katorigete mangana universal health coverage afya ya itoko sa mangana bochenu rasmadi gerugu ya aba amangana bochenu aria bwata masikania manene na ande aria akotigerina bantu baito banyare gotwara okobwena kwa bwangu
ababwatani korwase kiumbe kiaborokia gia KNUT nigo baburire serikali kwaribaga ekiumbe gyokulika aborokia gia TSC kulika aborokia ba ECD okwana omugachi omunene bw'ekiumbe kyo nigo aburire ebunge kuligereria boyali chiko lyokwena na chibesa kya aborokia kinga kiba kire asomotimuko.
My name is James Mugondiku, the National Treasurer for Kenya National Union of Teachers. That ECD teachers should be employed by Teachers Service Commission. And indeed, all teachers hold to have one employer. An ECD teacher should not be treated like a babysitter. This is a teacher who teaches, who has been trained in the art of teaching, and this teacher ought to benefit from being employed by the teacher's employer. So we are welcoming that move by the presidential party on education, so that teachers get back home. Their home is in TSC. Teachers have resolved that we should talk to Parliament so that the law on pension is repealed, so that teachers are paid pension by their employer, the Teacher Service Commission. Because nowadays, after teachers retire, they suffer a lot. So we want teachers to be paid by the employer that they know from beginning. Teachers do not know those other bodies. They know Teachers Service Commission. So we want Teachers Service Commission to be allowed through the law to be keeping the teachers' pension and be paying the teachers' pension. So we are calling upon our MPs to see to it that that law is repealed. Once it is repealed in Parliament, then it will be home and dry. There are those teachers who have been employed on intern terms.
Omorai korwa ase kiama gia Jubilee Sabina Chege nigakwanirigoro yechinkwana chyokoigwana echigendete kwene kyo hagati y'obobwatani korwa sobo mobwa Azimio la Umoja na badia korwa sobo mobwa Kenya Kwanza asibabere bakogokera omurubiriyo okwana nigo agania ekiama gia Jubilee gotegererwa asabaga kwerera amaganiabo.
I'm very happy with the dialogue, though we were not given an opportunity to be on the table as a Jubilee party. We are grateful because when we met in February 10th in Nakuru, one of the things that we said as a party is that we are supporting dialogue, and we cannot use criminal ways, we cannot use blackmail to ask for peace in this country or dialogue. So we are happy that the two excellencies, His Excellency the President and Raila Amolo Odinga, have actually had given a team some work to do. As Jubilee Party, though we are not part of the team that was selected, we will support 100%, but we will also present our memoranda because there are issues that affect our people, and we feel that those issues must be addressed. And some of these issues are the issues of when somebody loses, that you should not be going to the streets. And if you go to the streets, if any damage is taken, then you should be able to take responsibility. Because you cannot be destroying people, calling people to the street, they destroy properties, and then you come and say then you're doing peaceful demonstrations. Part of it is about the 1 man, 1 vote, 1 shilling. It's something that is very close to our hearts, that the population of a place need to be given equitable share, and the cake must be shared equally. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter who you voted for. So these are some of the issues. The issue about representation in Parliament, the issue of gender, those are some of the issues we'll be presenting. And most importantly, they are talking about the office of the Leader of Opposition and the Prime Minister. What us would want is that the way we had said not the winner takes it all, we would want an office of the Leader of Minority, both Senate and the National Assembly, to be taken by the number 2, the person who loses. So that we don't have people feeling that they have lost everything and they can be able to go and articulate their opposition issue.
Waziri w'oburemi Mithika Linturi nigaburia abaremi gwesokia asobonge nabo igokweneke buna nkweli kibali asinge ncho yo kwenyorera obuyo okwana nigo aerera emirobiri ye serikali anene asogosira abaremi nabo igokweneke buna abasaya bange mbachikwenyorera emirimo gwetera oburemi obo.
Tunajiandaa pia kuwa na pesa ya kutosha ili mkishalima tuweze kununua mahindi na bei mzuri ili nyinyi muwe na pesa ya kutosha, na ili tuweze kundio na mamburuka wale mnasema wanakuyanga wanaharibu mambo ya soko, si ndio? So hiyo ndio mpango iliyoko, na msiwe na wasiwasi. Kupitia kilimo tunaweza kuajiri vijana wengi sana wale hawana kazi. Tafadhali hakikisha wewe mwenyewe umeanjiandika ili zile support inatoka kwa serikali uweze kuipata, na ili tuweze kujua nambari za ukweli za wakulima wetu.
Mwanche muriyeria asorobotirwa bene ewiki yiga nigo tokumurikira ebikorwa bya bana gusira ebyabere bikomentekana asekera lituko tabate tokurigereria korwase county ya Nyamira ase abana babere babete bagusira kinga kibale kuirana eskuru oikabono iga bataratoka korengana no roboti korwa ase wizara ya bana nigo rokoro kibuna kera omwaka abana gwetera kiribu isano nemo nigo bagusira kurende ntobete tugosanga no mobisa bwabana Billy Adera oyobetega kwerera ninki kogera abana bagusira nabo igo ninki kebwenete gokorwa erinde gutanga ebikorwa bunebyo muri kito Job Maangi na ireteri bagali ya bene nabo igo gotwariganiria oroboti rokubwate munchi muri elia twara oburigereria borobya
komorigia makori me usene bisetane ngacha komorigi gweta akambura
ona kurweri mwana intora morra sare lakini nko igutora sakoroka ni kenyorokia endiba
kubwatekana n'obutuki bwakoletu ne serikali nigokera omwaka abana kiribu isano nemo bagusira ase batamanyiri ase bare.
Katika ripoti ya mwisho ambayo ilipeanwa kutoka kwa State Department of Social Protection ni kwamba nchi hii kadri ya watoto 6,000 wanapotea kwa mwaka. Hii ni idadi kubwa sana.
Nobororo obonene abaibuli nechiamate bagwetera ekero bakoligia abana babo au babulete
simu kadi yunga chikonye yake simi chinseje kera twa muleto mwana yesimi yito kanyora korangeri talipurayo bwate wano bwoba nabo bondiete korweligo
itukolindelia kabera karoka nale ne yanga ya black na sribas cha red na angosocks cha black wono kurweli tokatema kumuliya nturamurra bakabona
nchoira egechambukiro gotalia na gusanga negati abaiboli abo bagenderetse kuligia abana babo abo babete bagusira anene mono chinga kichokuirana esukuru maiga yogotabokia omutimoko omoke wetamu ya kabere omwaka oyo
ande nyomba oyebange togende ngoko bemba ke esukuru ngosabere libaga togatirimboka no mwana one togaswa nyomba akabeka amacha agesibya akabeka chi uniform kera kora gwe dress akanteima mitigande ate simu kadi yane korurogoroga igasera tigantire ndaro mwana oyunga yage andaga ndotene norona inde buye bachisa cyerire kingo ikororo nganda nganyora mwana oriteyo omwana ori barenge nero bwate simu kadi yaya akantebi riri mwagenda no mwana taira netigocha
agacha soboka unarusoboka na into tukamwa omwana bwe pikipiki oyomo amokobe akamwikinjira akamutebi ngikinyo yeo mwana gete toenda nere skuru bono oyo oyaga chikomuganya tachi gocha era akaira na back mwana ikurweria agatosire ligo lakini litukeli nto igwete ngana rokanete endiba
nigo are no goichana okonene asagendete kumuligia omwana oye asamarie cha Brian Mung'are Kebaso tu ase sukuru ya Nyamira Boys oyo bete kagusira chinga kichoko irana esukuru maega yogo tabokia omutimoko omoke wetamu ya kabere
ninche ngino omwana ombolete kurutare 5 omutienyo 7 mpaka lero amoni Monday tachi koira na sukuru ne bangete ngachikomuira ni Tuesday ngatebigwa omwana agatebigwa bali batache toni Monday baende chuma aramisi na baibuli ngaenda nganyora omwana nari na abana banda bamura nkamurusia gwo mochiyo yu asarenge nkamutebi togende nyomba oyebange togende ngokobe mpaka skuru ngosabere libaga togatirimboka no mwana one togaswa nyomba akabeka amacha agesibi akabeka chi uniform kera kora gwe dress aganteima mitigande ate simu card yane korurogoroga igasere ngiche togende kingo ikororo nkaenda nganyora mwana oriteyo
boigo ense muyende Flavian Mesa oyogo soma esukuru ya sekondari ya Bunyunyu ase form 4 oyu omenyete ni antiaye Alice Kemuma nigo agenda chakuligigwa maega yokubura chinga kiali kuiranigwa esukuru
igachiete skuru litukolia Alhamisi agaike skuru akarua akaenda onginamoke nyinamoka akamwachi pesa irane back gochie skuru taira na back agacha soboka unarusoboka na into tukamwa omwana bwe pikipiki oyomo amokobe akamwikinjira akamutebi ngikinyo yeo mwana gete toenda nere skuru bono oyo oyaga chikomuganya tachi gocha
egetambokero kya baibuli abakoligia abana babo nkera bagekobeka amatunda ase babeire bagonchukana na chinsemo ao kulende mbara abanyora
chaka komoligia makoli ime usene bisetane ngachaka komoligi gweta akamburenge nere natemire gokwana nere ngomwebereri ontebi namuboli mwakwane na Brian ontebi emara wa Brian nare ngwani line ntwakwanete nere agateba ngochara ende skuru amatuka amange
ase getuo gya polisi alitibo ntwabeke report yororo twali ka OP number eyi mwarorire tolwegeta na nsemo yo eskuru twakirichira report bake skuru tana kwira na skuru
Tuire gitambukiro gutarira na gusangano mu bisa bw'abana kurwase county enke Nyamira South Billy Adera ilinde komanya ase oboime igoro yokubura kwa abana.
Missing child ama mtoto ambaye anatafutwa kulingana nasi ni mtoto ambaye hayuko kule ambako ni kawaida, their normal home.
Ase atoerera egachia mangana akwirira okubura kwa abana kurwase chinka chiabo ose aseba bwenderete gutoka buna amamocho y'abana okoibwa kwa abana ogotarenda buya kwa baibuli ase abana babo namangana ande.
So there could be several reasons why you have missing children or lost children, and some of those kuna ile ambayo ni mistake tu kwa mtoto hajazoea mahali fulani akatumia barabara mbaya akajipata. Pia mara mingi tumepata wengine wanaiba watoto haswa wadogo ama wengine watoto ambao wamebalehe. Mara mingi tunasema wanasumbuliwa na adolescents. Na wengi wanatoroka nyumbani. Kuna wasichana wanatoka nyumbani wanaenda kuoleka. Kuna vijana pia wanatoka nyumbani kisha anaenda kutafuta kazi.
Abaibuli mbasaba gwaka oroboti igoro y'abana babiri bakubura ase obwango mono ase abanyanyimbo nabo igo abo bisaba abana.
Wote yule mzazi ama mtu yote yule ambaye alikuwa na mtoto kisha hamuoni mtoto na imekaa muda hujamuona, tafadhali ripoti katika polisi iliyoko karibu, ripoti kwa nyumba 10, ripoti kwa chifu aliye karibu, ili watu waanze kazi ya kuanza kumtafuta. Na pia ripoti katika ofisi ya watoto, ili iwapo kuna mtoto huyo alikuwa amepatikana akapewa afisa wa watoto kumtafutia kwao, basi labda unaweza mpata kule.
Ensemo y'abana mbasemi wakoba maiso na gutatama kurwase chinka chiabo kulendi kuigwira abaiboli babo.
Ningependa sana kuongea na vijana wetu ya kwamba nyumbani ndiyo mahali pazuri zaidi ya kulelewa na kuishi kwa wakati wote. Kule nje kuna risks na ndizo ziko mingi. Wasichana wetu wanapotoka, wewe mtoto mdogo wa miaka 16 unatoka kwamba umepata boyfriend unaenda kuishi na yeye. Shida iliyoko ni kwamba baada ya muda haya mapenzi yataisha na yule atakufukuza tena.
Ase ondo bwensi okonyora omwana usirete asaba gwaka oroboti rwa bwango mono ase polisi ase okobisa abana n'amamocho arairene omuntu okobekwa egesibo egechindi mono.
Kwa yoyote yule ambaye anapata mtoto ambaye hujui alikotoka, tafadhali usikae na huyo mtoto zaidi bila kuweza kuripoti. Unapompata yule mtoto, ripoti immediately. Tafadhali ingia police station, ingia ofisi ya watoto, sema nimepata huyu mtoto mahali fulani, alikuwa anafanana namna hii, mpeleke alivyo, usimtoe nguo, usimgeuze kile amevaa, mpeleke alivyo.
Abaiboli mbasaba goika abana babo ange nakoba oborendi bwaisaine eline gotanga amangana bunaya ayo abana bako babagosira.
Tukaenda tukapatia mtoto mahali ambapo sio kwao. Ikiwa una shida ya kulea mtoto, tafadhali jitokeze tu useme niko na shida hii, ningependa usaidizi wa namna hii, kuliko kuacha mtoto ateseke huku nje.
Bono nigo esegeterero cyase ababwachani ao gocha amona koliga chinchera chokweneke buna abaiboli basiririe abana babo nko banyora bale na abana babire bagosira nkoira nigubale ase chinka cyabo korwase abisi cyabana ime county Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.